The humanity gives the world speed. Earth also have the legend by ourselves. Brings to look like the Taishan rock solid face. Brings to look like the Kongzi big love and the sincerity. Rises bank in the Yellow River with Jinan Chenyang Technology Company Limited in China. It already became China to exchange snacks food machinery's bright star. At the professional inflecting machine company, Chenyang assembles a team of experts with abundant experience, researching and development of the apparatus. Products have developed into variety to be diversified already, relating to rating. Its advanced management ideas, high quality and after-sales service have gained well-known with the domestic and foreign customers, approved by their good public praise in mind. Relying on many years to prod the snacks food machinery manufacturers well experienced and technical comprehensive professionals joined. Ours production realizes turned to a new generation. Prod from the sing-led type snacks later food production line to change have 10 many kinds of the snacks food precise line, such as the frying food precise line, the bread cake precise line, the instant noodles precise line, the biscuit food precise line, pan food precise line, and so on. For all the precise lines research and development, provide the complete set because to the customer request, research and development production equipment, the project solution. Not only enable the customer the investment to have this safeguard, also has developed the further development opportunities positive for the Chenyang company. It has realized the objective to win. Along with the Jinan Chenyang Technology Company Limited on seizing development, the company's annual sales volume and the amount of export increased progressively year by year. The product sells in distant markets such as the US, Holland, Malaysia, Vietnam, Italy, Brazil, Honduras, Czech, Syria, Russia, Indonesia, and so on, more than 30 countries in the area. In many countries, we also had the fixed dealer and has established the good relations. Our domestic markets client have which project the Jam Center Rice Cracker Food Precise as main productions Henan Province, Benbengo Company. Product the crispy rice food as main productions Tianjin City, Tianhong Company, Tianlong Company, Tianling Company. Product the frying complex for food as main productions Shandong Province, Xiaobaobei Company, and Haojiajia Company. Product the snacks layer food as main productions Shandong Province, Dingfu Company, Qingyuan Company, Hubei Province, Wulong Company, Chaozhou City, Jili Company, and Jinshan Company, and so on about more than 100 enterprises. The Shandong Province Haojiajia Food Limited Company is the Shandong native place food enterprise. From purchasing the Jinan Chenyang Company's first equipment to purchase these companies the 17th equipment still now. The other client that Zhengzhou Huajin Food Limited Company, which individual proprietorship by Singapore purchased the Jinan Chenyang Company's first set equipment to purchase 17th set equipment. This truth explains all that Jinan Chenyang Company's service in possession in high class and prompt arriving. It is the enterprise successes the strength's manifestation. Chenyang Technology Company's General Manager, Mr. Xue Junlu, learns military files always perseveres the execution social commitment, execute promptly. A company together won the enterprise objective, places the enterprise development, the management idea the core position. Whenever has the customer visit, whenever the technology meets the difficult problem, he would arrive personally at the scene, initiating valid service. Chenyang shares very well and well with customers and attends to every consideration of the customer. It shows the entrepreneur to treat time, the customer magnanimous in the elegant demeanor. He set up a good example to the other company in the profession line. Science and technology in development, world in change. Today's Qinyang Technology Company Limited rises in the Chinese Shandong's outstanding enterprise of excellence, a pursue remarkable team. It realizes in the dream stage, in the science and technology eagerly anticipates the world under the flood tide. Is becoming one of the bright stars of stage and screen day by day, a bright moment in history.